Welcome to the third grade Bearcat Awards.
Good morning, Bearcats. Please stand and face the flag. Put your right hand over your head. Ready to begin.
And now Ms. Brewster will present her class awards.
All right, so first I will do my special awards. So, for the 3 Musketeers Award, which is for being a great teammate and friend, is Blaze Ison. All right, the Lifesavers Award for being a lifesaver and helping anyone in need is Titus Gephardt. The 100 Grand Award for showing such a great ability to work with numbers is Ryder Tate. The Roll-O Award for showing us how to roll with change during difficult days is Raiden Pennington. The Tootsie Pop Award for sharing your poppin' good energy with us when we need it is Logan Krivak. The Laffy Taffy Award for sharing your love of laughter with the class is Jacob Dyer. The M&M Award for being marvelous and magnificent is Cooper Annan. The Sour Patch Kids Award for always helping to turn sour situations into sweet ones is Hallie Drummond. The Biddo Honey Award for being a student who is as sweet as honey is Alex Coggis. The Teddy Grams Award for being as sweet and lovable as a teddy bear is Casey May. The Skittles Award for creating colorful, creative masterpieces of art is Aurora Ross. The Kit Kat Award for helping out and giving your classmates a break is Briley Kello. Jolly Rancher Award for having a jolly, positive attitude goes to Carter Cannon. The Gummy Bear Award for being as lovable and as sweet as a little bear is Haley Minnie. The Fast Break Award for having extra fast math skills is Jace McNish. The Bubblicious Award for having a bubbly, happy attitude in everything you do is Jaden Medoff. And the Snickers Award for being a class act giggler goes to Logan Gillum. All right, and then I had 3 perfect attendance for this 9 weeks. Alex Coggis. Titus Gephardt. And Haley Minnie.
And now Mrs. Gardner will present her class awards.
Okay, my first award goes to McKenna Thompson. The Roll-O Award for showing us how to roll with change during difficult days. Wait, do you want your Roll-O? Next is Isabella Mark, 3 Musketeers Award for being a great teammate and friend. Next, the Crackle Award for Trace Matson for cracking the code and solving some really tough math problems. Next, the Kit Kat Award for Haley Holland for helping out and giving your classmates a break. Next, the Bit of Honey Award for Zoe Conley for being a student who is as sweet as honey. Next, the Bubble Yum Award for Isabella Toll for having a bubbly, fun attitude.
You're welcome.
Next, the Bubblicious Award for Naomi Riley for having a bubbly, happy attitude in everything you do. Job Stoppers Award goes to Chloe Hosworth for doing gobs and gobs of great learning this year. The Cracker Jack Award goes to Kaden Chrisman for being a prize student. Easton Johnson gets the Milky Way Award for being an out-of-this-world speller. And another Milky Way Award for Carson Kelly for being an out-of-this-world reader.
Good job for growing in your reading.
Junior Mints Award goes to Connor McGuire because you are meant for something great. The Jolly Rancher Award goes to Bailey Woods for having a jolly, positive attitude. The Snickers Award goes to Cherokee Abrams for being a class act giggler. The Starburst Award goes to Preston Singleton for being a classroom superstar. The Sour Patch Kids Award goes to Rebecca Tristle for always helping to turn sour situations into sweet ones. And finally, the Reese's Pieces Award goes to Blake Powers because you know just how to put the pieces of a problem together. All right, boys and girls, if you listen carefully for perfect attendance. Perfect attendance during the fourth 9 weeks, Chloe Hosworth. Come on up here with Connor McGuire. Blake Powers. McKenna Thompson. And I have some two perfect attendance awards for the entire school year. Chloe Hosworth and Blake Powers. You want to come get in front of the camera there? There's the video camera. Wave hi to it because you have perfect attendance all year. Okay.
And now Miss Wilmore will present her awards.
My first award is to Harper Stafford for the Three Musketeers Award. My next one is the Smarties Award for Ryland Tate for showing your smarts in your school subjects. My next one is Savannah Sullivan Now and Later Award for your willingness to always work now and later. My 100 Grand Award goes to Maddox Smith for showing such a great ability to work with numbers. My Hot Tamales Award goes to Asher Smith for being quick thinking on your feet. The Ring Pop Award goes to James Ramey for always bringing up the correct answer. The Snickers Award goes to Kinsley Pollock for being a class act giggler. My Lifesavers Award goes to Abby Miller for being a lifesaver and helping anyone in need. Cruz Lowry is my Gobstoppers Award for doing gobs and gobs of great learning this year. My Junior Mints Award goes to Lucas Lambert because you are meant for something great. The Miss Goodbar Award goes to Caden Howard for being a good, kind friend. Awen Hobart gets the Twizzlers Award for your ability to untwist and solve difficult problems. Tucker Garman gets the Fast Break Award for having extra fast math skills. My Tootsie Pop Award goes to Josie Dameron for sharing your pop-rated energy with us when you need it. Bailey Blevins gets my Skittles Award for creating colorful and creative masterpieces of art. My Reese's Pieces Award goes to Alexander Klein because you know just how to put the pieces of a problem together. And my Bit of Honey Award goes to Olivia Begoni Smith for being as sweet and as honey. And I have 2 Perfect Attendance Awards. One is for Alexander Klein. And my second one is for Abby Miller.
Thing I need to do before I give it the mic to the kid. So a couple of years ago, we were doing the Bearcat, the leadership team, and when we had to leave school last year in March, just so suddenly, all of a sudden, there was no more leadership team. They didn't get to do that. And this year, because of COVID, we weren't able to meet. So I want to recognize a couple kids who became leaders in 2nd grade last year and would have been able to do it this year. Jacob Dyer and Blake Powers, would you come down? So, Jacob and Blake. And the third grader would have been Fancy Price. Come back here. Come back. So here is something for you for being on the leadership team. Thank you very much. And thanks, guys. Everybody give them a round of applause. All right, thank you.